Zest. Ip. Zip. Zoom. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, stop the music. Sylvia, look, you're not getting any zest into this. Now, do me a favor. Let's try it again and try to get a little bit more zip into it, okay? A little bit of the old zoom. All right?
Okay.
Good. Now, let's try it again. Est. Zest. Ip. Zip. Sylvia, you know, you're just going to have to stop watching those late movies. Sylvia? Sylvia? Sylvia?
Zag, zig. Better try it again, fellows. Zig, zag, zigzag. Perfect. Okay, class dismissed. And remember, no running. Some people just have to learn the hard way.
What is that buzzing right here? Where are you? There he is. Look, critter don't know what he's up against. I got me the quickest pair of hands in Yaknapatawpha County. What's this here coming in? Did you look at that? Let's see what that says. Zero. 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 Well, zero's just exactly what you gonna be after I get hold of you. Just sit right still. Well, you was lucky that time. You hear me? I said you're lucky that time. Here it comes again. Okay, just pitch right over yonder. That-a-way. Here comes another one of them. Take your time. Now it says zest. 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 Well, you ain't gonna have much zest after old lightning gets a hold of you. Just sit right still now. Oh, darn. Your days are numbered. You hear me? I'll tell you that right now. Your days are numbered. You ain't going away yet. Get out of it. Sit right down over there. Attaboy. Whoop. I'll wait for that thing. That's a short one. That one says ip. Zip. Zip. Well, yes, sir, you'd zip on out of here if you knowed what was good for you. Just don't move a hair. Dogs. No. You're pressing your luck, son, I tell you that. There he is. Just sit down over there. Don't you sting me. There he is. One of them things coming in? Yep, there it comes. That one says, zzz, ooh, zoo, Zoo. Well, a zoo is just where you're gonna wish you was at after old Quick Hands gets a hold of you. Just hold right still. Look at him! I got him! Oh, boy, I wished old Bear Bryant could have seen me that time. Swooped him. Who's this? This your big brother Zeke? Hey, Zeke. Who's that? Your even bigger brother Zachary? Well, fellers, look here now. It ain't no sense in getting all hot and bothered about this thing, now is it? I'll just turn him loose. There you go. See there, it hurt him. Look, you fellas want to come inside and get a bite to eat? Huh? Ain't no sense in hanging around old nasty garbage can when you can sit right down at the table, is it?
Zoo. Mmm. Zoom.
All right, Mac, I got a the here. Where do you want to put it?
Right there.
Right here?
Right there, next to end.
Okay. There we are. How's that?
The end. Hey, that's nice.
Oh, what did it say we have from lunch?
Good idea.
The electric company gets its power from the Children's Television Workshop.